The color charts, which you have a lemon yellow with bottle green with beautiful pallu you can see over here. This Mahalakshmi pallu border saris. In this you can see in the linen cotton. This is a pallu and this is a body part. Every sari you having a lovely beautiful collections. In this you can buy one more color charts. I'll show you. Such a lovely broad square box I can say over here. And these are all the festival season you can purchase. The silver packing over here, and every sari you will have a beautiful photocopy and the code and with the packing of these collections, and set to set you can purchase with a back package. For beautiful with blouse you can see the stripes pattern over here. In this also you can purchase the weaving come linen cotton varieties. Deepanjali is the code. Next sari will go with lovely formal look design, very fancy, sober and classy, lovely collections. Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. You're watching your lovely, beautiful collections. These are the Rapier Cottons collections, Rapier Cotton segment. What is the fabric? Linen cotton saris. Today I brought for you friendly budget linen cotton saris. These collections, you can give me one box, sir. These collections you can buy with the new packing and exclusive variety in this box packing. Such a lovely broad square box I can say over here. And these are all the festival season you can purchase. The silver packing over here, and every sari you will have a beautiful photocopy and the code and with the packing of these collections, and set to set you can purchase with a back package. All these kind of varieties for this festival season you can also buy, and you can keep your customers happy to make satisfy customers, your regular customers. Cotton resellers, Rapier cotton, linen cotton varieties I brought for you. Friendly budget. What? Yes, friendly budget. What is a budget? 600 to 700. But one thing I want to tell you, it's not actual price. You should know to actual price. Please call our online team. The number scrolling on the screen. Why I'm not sharing the prices? Many are commenting me, madam, please share the price, ma'am. Someone is telling me don't share the price. Yes, I want to tell you I'm not able to, I couldn't share the price. Why? Because we are supporting resellers like you. We are supporting resellers, dealers like you. So if you are a part of reseller for the cotton sarees or any segment in a clothing brand, manufacturers will support with the friendly budget, wholesale with color options, with color charts. So to know the actual price, take a screenshot, watch this video, quickly place an order. So let's see the collections with lovely beautiful varieties of this linen cotton sarees. Every saree is having a royal premium pallu with blouse. Let's have a quickly the color charts, which you have a lemon yellow with bottle green with beautiful pallu you can see over here. This Mahalakshmi pallu border saris. In this you can see in the linen cotton. This is a pallu and this is a body part. Every sari you having a lovely beautiful collections. In this you can buy one more color charts. I'll show you. And the sari code, you can quickly make a note of this sari to have online purchase with a Deepanjali Vault 2 is the code. In this code you have a colors of 5 colors, 6 colors. So based on colors you can share for this festival season. Ganesh festival is coming, so very soon before that, and regularly the festivals are there till December is a festival season. You can share with your mom, with nephew, your aunt, your sister, your all the cousin. No, you have a families, you can quickly you can buy these kind of varieties and you can celebrate the festival. So one more sari in the same pattern. You have a lovely navy blue with ocean blue color combination. Lovely beautiful sari. In this also you have a color combination and you have a beautiful with blouse. You can see the stripes pattern over here. In this also you can purchase the weaving come linen cotton varieties. Deepanjali is the code. Next sari will go with lovely formal look design, very fancy, sober and classy, lovely collections. So cream color, creamish color with embroidering pattern. This is Zara cotton. Okay, Zara cotton saris. You have a golden foil printed. Mild, there is an outing code of the brownish shade and the cream color pattern. Lovely mini borders you can see here. The needle pattern, the border, mini borders over here, and this is a butta based is a backside of running blouse with this attached pattern. This is a Zara cotton wall 3 is the code. You can take a screenshot. In this I have to show one more color with the Rani color with the cream color. Very pretty sari. Very beautiful, lovely pallu, the floral based. See how beautiful. Every saree is having a color combination, unique designs, unique colors. That's what the manufacturers are giving you. This is also Zara cotton wall 3. This is a one more pattern. Lovely floral printed base, the borders and the pallu which is given you. There is a gap of the whole bottom of the part of the body part you can see over here, and next pattern will say here the lovely and stylish unique pattern with the bottle green, with ocean, one of the slight blue, one of the traditional color, traditional Kanjivaram based royal premium pallu, you're getting it, and this is a stripes pattern with the border you have a with running blouse. This is the pattern, and the code is, you can see over here, Nagma Sangeet wall 1 is the code, DGN. In this you have a one more lovely stylish color combinations with mehndi or bottle green. These colors are very military green color combinations also. In this I have a one more color, light lavender with a wine purple, I can say over here. So this is a one more pattern, lovely sari. So this is a lovely sari. Just show you the pallu. Okay. So this is a one more sari. So all these kind of varieties, the beautiful festival season traditional and culture based. So lovely weaving linen cotton base of saris. You can see over here the metal is not. So these kind of collections, when we put the metals or bangles are holding it or catching it, you will not find out any damages. These kind of varieties you can purchase. All these collections you can buy with the manufacturing price at friendly budget 600 to 700. So no, क्या किया भाई तूने बॉक्स को? Take two, continue. So you can buy these kind of friendly budget varieties from 600 to 700 rupees. So such royal and premium box collections. We have every individual sari depend on the price, depend on the variety, depend on the fabric, and based on functional, based on boutique, based on party, based on functional festival, family do get together, wedding saris, engagement saris, gift occasions, all these kind of collections you can also purchase only from the manufacturers at one shop wholesale price. Sari, lehenga, kurti, matching collections, dupattas, kids, bottom varieties, all at one place at friendly budget with color charts, no single piece, only at wholesale price. Hope you enjoyed this linen cotton. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Keep supporting me. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video and what kind of collections you are looking for. Subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it, share with your friends, relatives, everyone. So come for visit purchase. If you couldn't travel, go ahead for online video calling purchase. Friends, next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye-bye.